Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you how we find power for dash camera installation on BMW 750i 2019. So we're going to open here and show you. So we actually opened the back side of the trunk for the power source. We need to find accessory and we need to find a constant power. Now constant power, as we can see, definitely not a problem. So we have all the power connections here, the splitters and everything in here. Definitely not a problem to find a constant power. For the accessory, we have the fuse box in here. Now a lot of people will use these fuse adapters, which makes it easier for an installation, but it's not the correct installation. And the reason is, we've seen people put these fuse adapters. You can see it doesn't really sit all the way in. So it doesn't have the proper here to sit properly without coming out. Now the problem is, let's say when we've seen people that come back and say, oh, my cameras, I installed it and it's intermittently turning on and off. There's a problem with the camera because we sell the cameras online. And we said, how did you connect it? They will say, we use the fuse adapters, the same as it shows online. And then we say, okay, so try to see if you connect it directly to the lighter with the lighter plug that provided with the camera, and if there's any issues. And they say, okay, they test it and then they say there's no issues. And we explain that this can be bumps and everything can come off. It's not really sitting there properly, not sitting always strong. As you see, it can be popped out very quickly. The problem is that when you're doing that, it's not just about you not having a camera anymore. Whatever is connected to the fuse that you just used, you're also losing that function. So it could be as simple as a lighter, but it could be something more dangerous, like turning off one of your computer or push button or something else. We also seen that when you're using these adapters, when you connect basically you on one of the lines, you can have a feedback from the camera or the Power Magic Pro or other hardwire devices, that the feedback creates a situation that you have ground on that wire and that wire doesn't allow you to do some stuff. We had a customer that had this with a push button, and the fuse that he used was the fuse for the push button, and his push button stopped working. So we use a totally different method. First of all, none of our connections are with this. We hardwire, solder it to the vehicle. We make sure it's done properly, never gonna get loose. No tap on, no nothing. Actual soldering, permanent connection. Second thing is we using relays. So we use the relay to trigger for us the power. So that way we don't have any feedback to the source. We're just using main power source, one of the big ones. We have quite a few different big ones for power sources. And we're using one of the mains to provide the power to the camera, and the accessory just to trigger the camera, eliminating any feedback or any issues or any problems. Again, it's done differently, but you protect your vehicle and you make sure that your camera works at any time without any issues. For more videos of how to do, you can always subscribe to our channel. Find us at Car System Installation. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.